Okay, a quick little intro here. I was editing this video and realized it looked like it was going on for 20 minutes. So I decided to split it into two videos, one right after the other. Some other serums that I really like in oils. I love this Phoenix Rosehip oil from Herbivore. This is so nice. It's more of a medium, I would say more of a medium consistency oil. But if I had to say one of my favorite oils, or my favorite oils are from Herbivore, comes out like that, and then I just rub that into my skin. And I only use this mainly at night. It is a medium oil, but for me, it's a little bit too heavy for under makeup. I love the scent of this. It smells so good. And the other Herbivore oil that I do use is this one, that I do use this under makeup. Sometimes I put a very tiny drop of it. It is the Herbivore Emerald. I forget what's in this. I can't remember, but this is a really nice oil for under makeup. It's a little bit more lightweight, almost like a watery oil, but that's really nice under makeup. If I really have super dry skin in the morning after using Retin-A, a lot of times I will use an Herbivore oil on my face. Okay, a couple more face things, and then we're going to go to the body, and then we're done. I do like this Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. This is really nice. I know a lot of people swear by this. It's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles and, firmness and tone, and also give you hydration. But I like it because it is very lightweight. I can put it on my skin even in the morning. I mean, I can put it on right now, actually, because I will put more things on my face. Smells really, it smells clean to me. This is a super, really nice lightweight serum. I think a lot of people really do swear by this serum for helping their fine lines and wrinkles, but I put all these things right under my eyes a lot of times. If I don't happen to have a eye cream nearby to put on, I'll put on all these serums right under my eyes. They don't seem to bother my eyes at all. Final face cream that I have here that is another really thick, luxurious face cream that is really nice is this Shisedo Vital Perfection Uplifting and Firming Advanced Cream. Comes in beautiful packaging, and it really smells great. Very thick. You can see the consistency of it. It goes on like velvet. I mean, it feels so good. It smells really, fresh to me. A lot of these smell really fresh, but I put this right under my eyes also. But this is a very, very velvety feeling, luxurious cream. I really like this, and it's supposed to help. I forget exactly what is in this, but it's supposed to help kind of tighten your skin and uplift it. And who the heck knows if all these products actually do what they say they're doing? All I know is I am a cream addict. I love putting creams on my skin. I feel that the more you hydrate, I hydrate all those fine lines and wrinkles around my eyes, and they look, I think, so much better. My eyes are not dry anymore. Whether it's a facade of looking better or really making them better, I don't know, but they do. I think they do look better when your skin is really hydrated. Okay, now on to body and hands. I would have to say my favorite hand cream is this. It's the one from Gold Bond. It is the Age Renew hand cream. It says 94% had visible improvement in appearance of hands in just one day. I don't know about that. What I do know is I love this cream because, I hate putting cream on my hands that I feel that I have to wash my hands afterwards because they feel so sticky and greasy. This cream just absorbs into my hands and does not make my skin on my hands feel like I have to wash it off. I don't smell really anything on it. A lot of times I'll have this in my purse, and I don't want to put hand cream on my hands that then I feel like I have to just wash off and then make my hands dry again. It's the only hand cream I have next to my bed and in my purse. Really the only hand cream I use. I love that hand cream. For my body, I really like these products. This one is from Paula's Choice. It is the Weightless Body 2% BHA treatment, salicylic acid, and it also contains antioxidants. And what's nice about this is you put it on your skin every day. It's supposed to help with exfoliation of dead skin cells over time. So your skin's going to look really soft and smooth, and you're going to slough off all those dead skin cells. So I love using this kind of as a treatment for my skin. Just make it smoother and softer. Love this from Paula's Choice. And then when it comes to just creams on my body, just to hydrate my body, when I'm putting on self-tanner on my legs, because I am doing that right now because I'm wearing shorts in Arizona. I am not in Florida. I like to mix the self-tanner with the cream so it goes on really evenly and doesn't streak and doesn't feel dry. dry on my skin. The creams I love are this one from Herbivore. This is the Cloud Milk Coconut and Maca. I think it's Maca Firming Body Cream. Look how thick that is. That is like a thick frosting. And that coconut vanilla scent, it's not overpowering. It just smells lovely. Look how thick that cream is. And that feels so good going on your body. And even though it's a thick cream, it blends in your skin and absorbs very quickly. And the other new favorite cream of mine, which I really love, is from Josie Maran. It's the original whipped argan oil body butter. This is like cake frosting. Oh my gosh, look at that. It smells so good. I don't know what this scent, it smells like tangerine citrusy. This is a new product for her, I think, and I love this cream. The other thing I like about this is you get refills for it rather than having to buy this big jar all over again. And the refills come in packs. They come in this size, which is 2 ounces. This is great for travel or if you want to put it in your purse. And they also come in a larger size so you can actually refill this again and just keep using the container over and over again, which is great for the planet. She also has scrubs, which are also so nice. Sugar scrubs. I have this one. This is the original sugar and argan oil body scrub. So nice because what's nice about these scrubs is the sugar crystals are just the right consistency. They're not too small, but they're also not too big and rough. They don't feel like they're abrading your skin, but they also feel like they're doing something and sloughing off the dead skin cells. The other thing I like about these is because they contain that argan oil, you're kind of hydrating your skin while you're sloughing off the dead skin cells. Fabulous, fabulous. I think these get 5-star reviews. Great body butter. Great exfoliant for your body. Fabulous, fabulous, really fabulous creams and scrub. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. I hope you enjoyed my long journey saga of collecting moisturizers and oils. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.